24,900 on the Nifty, 81,250 on the Sensex. And these are the first rates which are coming through. 190 points, almost 200 by the way. 24,900 is coming through on the Nifty at this point in time. The Nifty Bank is up about 0.5%, 54,318. And the mid-cap index is up about 1%. The small cap index will come up on your screen, which should be higher as well. So across the board, of course, it's green. And I think all 50 Nifty stocks should be higher, maybe the insurance names, but we'll see. The heat map should tell us that. We'll dive into individual stock sectors, etc. Right after that. The reinsurers, etc. are opening higher. Heat map on your screen. What do we have? Okay, not all. IT services and a bunch of others are lower, but otherwise it's all up. And Mahindra, I think, is leading the way once again. 160 points on the Nifty. Surabhi.
Absolutely. And M&M is looking really, really smart with a gain of almost 6%. But I must point out that even insurance, where there's the worry, right now, all insurance stocks have opened positive, including Niva Bupa. Niva Bupa is surging 7%, might I add. The company just told us that overall it's going to be very positive. They will be passing it on to the customers, at least as of now. And they expect perhaps higher value policies and a bigger sum assured to get sold, because people have more money to just buy better and bigger policies. And that seems to be working in favor of the stocks. Anyway, coming back to the Nifty tally, apart from the individual beneficiaries like a Nestle, like a Lever, like an ITC or a Hero Moto, look at Bajaj Finance. The market is choosing to play this through some of the diversified financials. And we know Bajaj Finance obviously has a huge consumer lending franchise. And that stock is the next biggest beneficiary after Mahindra and Mahindra. Then come in some of the big cement names like Ultratech Cement. Nigel's been telling us that overall it's a big positive as well, with the cement moving to 18%. Eicher Motors, Nestle, Lever, ITC, Trent. Incremental gains between 1 and 2% on all of these stocks. And even the insurers within the Nifty, SBI Life is positive, HDFC Life is up 0.5%. So there is no big slam dunk on insurance at all. Perhaps the market had enough time to prepare for this. On the flip side, actually not too much. Reliance is a bit of a drag. It's a bit of a spoil sport this morning, down about 0.5%. Eternal is cooling off. And some of the metal names after yesterday's scintillating performance. Today, the metal stocks, Hindalco, Tata Steel, etc., they're slightly lower. From a 200-point pop, now we're looking at a 160-point move on the Nifty.
Well, some of those hotels as well are doing well. Lemon Tree, that's moving on high volumes, up 3.5%. As Deepan said, Bajaj Finance, well, that could be the ultimate beneficiary, because all the items that you're buying, by taking some credit, well, their GST has come down. So that could be an indirect play. And that's why that stock is up close to around 4%. Solid move on that particular name. Dabur is up close to around 4.5%. So big move out there. Vishal Mega Mart is another stock that's moving on very, very large volume. So that one's up and about. The ones that are under pressure, you have Delta, because the casino entry GST rate has been fixed at around 40%. And Varun Beverages as well. That one is down close to around 2.5% or thereabouts. Ashok Leyland actually is down close to 2%. That's one of the notable names from the auto pack that's actually underperforming in today's trading session. Pull up Newland Laboratories as well. There was an IC note that had come in from Nuvama with a target price of around 17,700, I think so. So maybe we could get that stock up for the time being. It's up only around 0.5% or thereabouts. But otherwise, autos, consumption themes doing well. The market's holding at around 24,850. You'll want it to hold on to these gains. The markets are net short. It could result in a bigger up move, but you need to hold on to these gains.
Well, that's the thing, right? 180 now, 24,150 actually. So just about getting things going this morning.